What's up guys, I'm back again with another how-to video on this 2022 Civic Si. Today we're going to be removing the front door panel just to show you guys how it's done. A lot of people may know how it's done, some people don't. So here we go. We're going to start right here. Get under there, slowly lift up. Start on the next side. This actually has foam on the bottom of it. Pretty cool. Once you get that out, we're going to hook these harnesses. So if anyone plans on replacing their speakers or anything, so here's a tip on how to do it. Usually Hondas only have one Phillips head and it's going to be right there. Y'all know how I roll about the handhelds. I know it's quicker to get them out if you use a drill or an impact, but So what I like to do, most people, sometimes there's an edge you can grab onto, but there's not really an edge on these doors. So, handy dandy pry tool. A good place to start off is an edge, that way if something happens to happen to the panel, it's where it won't be seen. Here we go. Usually once you get that first pop, just use your hand to get the rest of it off. Once you get that off, make sure you don't pull it too hard because there is your trunk harness back here. And there we go. And of course, if you have any leftover clips on the door, you'll want to get that off and put it back on the door panel. That way it seals back up good. And while we're at it, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to remove the rear door panel. We're going to take this Phillips head out. Uh-oh. Grab the bottom of it. Get a firm pull all the way around. This model has a component set of speakers in the rear, so you'll have to remove that harness to that tweeter. And there you go. Always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.